they were able to chance upon this report online ng Business World na 65% of the budget for 2025 had been released by DBM. And this is according to the status of allotment report ng status of allotment release report na 65% nga dyan ay nai-release na. What is my take on this at anong dapat take ng ating mga kababayan? Alam ninyo naman na napakainit nating pinag-uusapan itong anomalous, illegal, immoral, unconstitutional, and criminal 2025 budget. At nung una nating itong linabas kasama si Pangulong Duterte at si 3rd District, Davao 3rd District Representative Congressman Sid Ungab, tayo agad-agad pinaratangan na tayo daw ay fake news. Tayo raw ay malisyoso at tinawag pang sinungaling si Pangulong Duterte. Only to take back those harsh words. At bandang huli, ang sinasabi na ng Malacanang, hugas kamay, na wala raw po silang pananagutan dito, wala silang kinalaman dito. Kaya makikita natin, interpretation ko, tila minamadali na mailabas na lahat at mairelease na lahat ng pondo for 2025 para hindi abutan kung sakali ay pagbigyan ng Korte Suprema ang ating hiling na magkaroon ng TRO at permanent injunction at kung ito'y madeklarang unconstitutional, null and void from the very beginning.